As you can see, I've already made my portrait video in iMovie using vertical video footage from my phone. But the problem is that the video is still in a landscape movie format. So how do I make it in a portrait 9:16 video format? Well, in this video, that's what you're going to find out. The problem is that iMovie only supports a landscape video format, but there is still a way to get through this. First, highlight all your footage. Then, click on the crop button on top of the video. After that, click rotate clockwise once. Now, your video should be sideways and taking up the whole of the screen. If there are still black bars like this, just hit crop to fill, and then click the crop button to save your changes. Now your video should look like a vertical video, but only sideways. In order to get it straight, click the upload button in the top right hand corner of the screen and press export file. After doing that, make all the changes you want on the pop-up box and hit next. Now name it and select where you like to save it. After the export is finished, a box should pop up in the top right hand corner alerting you. Now find your video. In my case, I saved it on my desktop. Right click it, press open with QuickTime Player. It should open the video on the format that you made it on iMovie. Check that it's working alright. And now, on the top toolbar, press Edit, Rotate Left. And hey, presto! That is your vertical video format with no black bars on the side. It takes up the whole of the screen. It's a 9:16 portrait video that you made through iMovie.